These topical talks gonna show you how to redeem Steam code. So I will show you how to redeem code in Steam apps and Steam browser. First of all, let's see the process for Steam app. Launch your Steam app and click on games. And if you have a Steam product key, then click on activate a product on Steam. And now in this box, enter here your product key and click on confirm. And that's how we can redeem a product key. Again, click on games, and if you have a Steam wallet code, to redeem it, just click on redeem a Steam wallet code. And here, enter your Steam wallet code and click on continue to redeem. And now let's see how to redeem a Steam code on browser. On your browser, open store.steampowered.com and give a slash and type here account/register key and hit enter. And then you will directly jump into the product redeem key page. Here, enter here the key that you want to redeem and click on continue. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.